Hey, 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 ice.
Oh, hell no.
What? He's like, oh, hell no. Well,
I heard the beep.
everybody has cameras. Everybody's got cameras.
But nobody's recording.
Everybody's got cameras.
Yeah, I got a camera too. I didn't even.
What is it saying? Kissing cousins? Kissing cameras. I guess people would get offended if you said kissing cousins here, right?
Yeah. Well, this is Oklahoma. You can't say that
that's
here.
Another state over. That's Arkansas.
I don't know if I'm going to integrate this or if this is going to be its own video, but I had to show Tim one more time because. So Tim, tell the audience: are you leaving this weekend?
Yeah.
Are you sure you can't stay one more week?
I'm sorry, man. I can't do it.
Are you sure you can't stay one more week? Yeah, he's not staying. He's leaving.
Cue the Sarah McLaughlin music.
We got TK. Which channel?
TK's
Both
Garage.
channels.
TK's Garage.
TK's Garage. Total.
Strip clubs.
I can't.
You know.
Which channel is it that you show the video quality at the strip clubs of the new cameras on these smartphones?
Oh, that's Total Tech.
The Total Tech. So if you want
Maybe
to
I
see,
should do that. Was like strippers in the cars buying coffee.
this video is not kid friendly. This one is not for children. So Copa, you're gonna have to go somewhere else with that shit for a minute. Anyway, and then we got Justin. Now, but now you changed the name of your channel, didn't you?
No, I changed it back.
You changed it back?
I changed it back.
I'm so confused.
Yeah.
When I went to your channel, I was like, wait, let's go check out Superior Auto Flips. And then it pulled up something else.
Yeah.
And I was like, wait a minute. So you were doing unboxing of Amazon. What were those called? Amazon.
I tried to flip it a little bit.
Mystery boxes?
Yeah, I mean, like customer returns and shit like that.
It looked like you should have made money on those, right?
Oh yeah, I mean, I still do that. It's like a little
cheap.
side business, yeah, and I make money with that. But that's what I was telling people in my last video. I didn't have no cars at the time, and I wanted to get content out. And I was like, hey, I'll give it a try, and that was in the gutter.
So the audience didn't.
No.
Well, yeah.
I think I lost like 400 subscribers. Yeah.
Okay, so he's not gonna do Amazon.
No more.
Mystery is loose.
He's got an Audi, or you had an Audi TT. That's the last thing that I really remember.
Yeah,
like,
the
that
TT,
car I thought was
sold
interesting.
It.
You sold it.
Yeah, I sold it.
That was a content gold mine.
I mean, I did a lot of work to it, and he helped me do a lot of work to it. And then I got bored with it like hella quick.
Didn't you upgrade the turbo?
Oh yeah,
and intercoolers.
It was pretty fun, and it was
lost
fast.
a wheel driving down the road.
Yeah,
you were with
during
them.
a test drive. Yeah, it was just the craziest thing.
Whoa,
Yeah.
how did you?
Okay. All right. So
how does the wheel come off?
I'll tell the story to this.
It ain't my fault.
We were driving down the road as a test drive. He's like, hey, look, I got the Audi going. Let's go test drive it. We were test driving it. And we go around the corner, hits boost. He's like, wait, there's bolts flying off. Next thing you know, there's a wheel. And the wheel catches up to the car as we're like, to a stop. Well, that's exactly everyone's expression as the wheel falls off.
He was way more calm than me because
I'm sitting on my phone texting. I'm just texting, and I was like, I think we lost a wheel. Surely enough, it hits the tree.
Well, after I did the whole build on it, that was the first time I redlined it, hit boost, just hammered in that damn thing, like not even 100 miles into it. And it started bouncing all over the place, and then here comes the wheel, and it hits the curb, and man, this dude pulls up, and he's like, I've never seen something like that before. Are you guys okay? And I'm like, bro, you want to shut up or give me a ride home? Yeah. Man, thankfully, I was only like a block away from the house, so I literally ran on foot to the house, grabbed my truck and trailer, and went and got it. And then like 2 weeks after that, we're hitting the highway 65. We hear some rattling. Lo and behold, I didn't put the strut bar back on the top that like holds the shocks into place. So the damn shocks are just bouncing around in there. And then he was like, man, can you make sure on the Chrysler that we bolt everything down before we hit the road?
So with that, you guys got to check out. Excuse my voice; it's been bad for a couple weeks now. Justin at Superior Auto Flips, where you can watch tires fly off the cars.
Yes.
And do you have your own channel?
Well, I'm with Superior Auto Flips.
Okay, so you guys are partners on the channel now.
Yes.
Okay, so and I didn't catch your name. I'm sorry.
Jerome. I'm Jerome.
Jerome?
Yes.
Okay, so you got Jerome and you got Justin over at Superior Auto Flips. You got to go check them out. You got TK from TK's Garage and Total Tech, and then you got Tim.
Strippers.
It's strippers.
Yeah, you got strippers. Strippers are out.
Cars. Okay, cars. What are you
I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet.
He's not sure yet. He's thinking about.
We got to do that story time video, bro.
Story time would be fun. Drink a little bit, have a
Four
little story
knees.
time.
Y'all gonna laugh. Y'all want to miss that. Four knees.
Four knees.
Listen, if you're not subscribed to TJ's Auto, I know he doesn't put any videos out, but there's going to be, I'm certain.
Yes.
There's going to be some interesting stuff. And then there's me, auto auction refills. Auto auction rebuilds. Rebuilds. They call me refills because, look, I got case after case of just fluids. I got lots of fluid. We don't actually do shit around here but put fluids in cars. And, yeah, so go check these guys out. Check him out. And remember to subscribe to my channel. I keep hearing beeping. Who all is recording here?
Somebody's got their GoPro and they're going in. What is up, guys? So we out here with Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds, and you guys remember his brand new 2020, 2019 red, big, beautiful Corvette right here, right? You guys remember this car? Well, it's been sitting here in Oklahoma City for 3 weeks. Now, I pardon the language automatically, but I can tell you right now, if this is me, he's a lot more patient than me. If I got a poster in the mail saying congratulations on your Corvette Corvette purchase, and I had a beautiful $60,000 Corvette like this that I've had to park, and now somebody has hit my fucking mirror while I've sit here, I would be beyond pissed the fuck off. Now it's got water spots on it. It's been sitting out here. It's been weeks later, and this car is still not running. If you haven't seen the stories, I'm gonna link up here so you can see Randy's video on this, and tell me if you wouldn't be pissed about this situation. Because for me, I would be batshit fucking crazy over the fact that I just bought a $60,000 car and it's sitting out here, and now somebody's hit my car. Ridiculous. But I got Trusty Reliable over here. It's about half the price of that. And it stays reliable. Not saying that the Corvette's not a beautiful car. I love it. It is pretty, but I wouldn't pay $60,000 for this car. I just wouldn't. That's just me. I love that it is the last manual Corvette you can get. It does have that stick shift in there. But the way that they've left this out here, and Randy keeps these things garage kept, the way that they've left this out here like this, I don't know. Maybe am I overreacting? If I'm overreacting, or you guys think I'm crazy, you can let me know in the comments below. But I want you to go look at the series with Randy's videos. I'm out here with Randy and his brother right now, because I was just like, let's jump in the Audi, let's come out here and let's go look at it, because this is bullshit. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Speaking of Corvettes, I think there's another one. Look, I'm at the service department. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Look at this. There's another one in there with the entire ass end ripped out, which they're gonna have to do to this one because they have to fix the fucking fuel pump 40 miles into this car's life. Now, I don't know about you, but in my opinion, GM's quality has gone directly into the shitter. This is supposed to be your hero car, your super car. I know I'm going to get a bunch of Corvette fans and dick riding Chevy fans that are going to be like, you're just hating. I'm not hating, I'm just keeping it real.